Auto uninterruptible laser cutting line. This line has wide applications. Laser cutting line can replace punching equipment. Easier operation. Any shape can be cut out. This line consists of uncoiling, deflection regulating, laser cutting, scrap reeling, cut sheet collecting, auto stacking, etc. The auto loading and unrolling part brings the advantage of labor saving. Deflection regulation function ensures the whole sheet is level during cutting in order to realize multi-way cutting, easier operation. Any shape can be cut out, ranging from 60 mm to 1000 mm in diameter. The cutting edging is smooth and without any burr. Cut sheets are automatically collected and stacked to realize labor saving as well. It is also convenient and simple for the scrap reeling and unloading. Auto uninterruptible laser cutting line is Jackson invented and patent reserved. Technology innovation, pursuit of excellence, quality ensured are Jackson Machinery's principle. Welcome your inquiry. Thanks.